Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already did my eyebrows, and now I'm gonna prime my eyes with my Juvia's Place Concealer in 16, and I'm gonna set it with my Urban Decay setting powder. Now I'm using the GlamLite Icy Blue Raspberry eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to use that shade right there and put that in my crease, and I'm just going to wing it out just a little bit. Next, I'm using that shade right there to blend out the shade that I have down on my crease. Also, I'm really trying to grow my channel, so if you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Now I'm using that Juvia's Place Concealer again, and I'm using it to cut my crease. Now I'm going to use those two shades and put those on my lids. I'm just going to put them right next to each other. For my eyeliner, I'm using my Maven Beauty Liquid Eyeliner. Next, I'm using my House of Lashes eyelash glue and my Ioni lashes. To make sure there's no gap showing where I put my lashes, I'm going to use my Sephora eye pencil and my Essence waterproof mascara. to the face, I already moisturized my face with my L'Oreal moisturizer. Now I'm going to use my Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. Next, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. To correct the dark spots in my face and neck, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. For foundation, I'm using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Plus Concealer in 13 Chestnut. For some more coverage, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. And I'm just going to put this all the places where I put my orange corrector. To highlight, I'm using my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Medium Dark Warm. And I'm just going to put this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. And I'm just going to use that top shade to go around my jawline and contour my nose since it's lighter, and the other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. Next, I'm using a combination of my ABA setting powder in Deep Peach and my Urban Decay setting powder to set where I had the concealer at. Now I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth Baked Face Powder in 65 Toffee. I'm using Juvia's Place, the Saharian Blush Volume 1 palette. I'm just going to use the orange shade for my blush, and I'm going to use the other shade for my highlight. For lips, I'm using the NYX Lip Liner Club Hopper, and I believe this is the Fenty Liquid Lipstick. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this blue raspberry eyeshadow makeup look. I enjoyed creating it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. I would love to hear from you all. Also, everything I use will be listed in the description box, as well as all my social media handles. And I will see you on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.